Today we're going to make confetti slime. I buy this. Yeah. That's what I need it. Yes. I'll make it. Get some glue and some apple. But not really we're going to use this glue. We're going to use this glue to make it a little bit colorful.
You still have one. Whoa.
Glitter, glitter.
The confetti.
Wala mo yan, Pe.
That's my dad. Cut that out of the video.
Confetti. So start. What will you do first?
I'll put some glue.
Open it with the bigger part. This looks.
You're so strong, Ma. It's so glitter.
Are you going to use it all?
I'm not sure. I really like this. Oh, we can buy it more.
Really?
If we can see it.
Yeah.
But it might take a long time, but it's okay. It's like ugly. You use this glue. You see other YouTubers see this and using this glue. This is my favorite color.
Maybe don't use it all. Just that.
I think you'd want some too, Ma.
Maybe you can mix it with other glue.
Okay. We can mix that one. Let's mix it. Okie dokie.
Okay. Now what will you
Hola,
do?
sí, sí, te escucho. ¿Cómo estás? Acabo de entrar. Está bien, normal.
Just a little bit. Are you going to use it all?
No, I can't use it all. I want to use it all. Do you think we should add some more? Let's put it all.
Okay.
Okay, it's all in. Now we need a spoon to mix.
This is
Oh,
the magic.
We need a little bit.
This is what is what this? What you call that?
Activator.
Okay.
Now we start to mix it with this thing. Yay. Not sure it will work. Let's just try. I hope it will work. Slime. It's activated. Oh, it already looks like slime. Let's mix it. I don't know. I think it's not going to make.
Are you going to add this one?
Oh yeah, I was going to add that one. Can you open it, please? Don't spill it.
Yeah. I know.
Ready? I'll put it up. Confetti. It's going to be so glittery. Oh my god. It looks so good.
Maybe should we add more
Yeah.
of the what's this?
Don't
Activator? Okay. Mix it more.
Let's let's mix it so good.
Can you give me the the box from the slime?
It's right there.
Okay. Continue.
I think we're supposed to add all of it.
Yeah.
We already add all of it.
There's still more. Let's add more activator.
Yes. I don't think it will work.
Mix it more.
What? This looks like it's slimy.
Can you hold it? It's like slimy already. Oh no, it's not slimy. Maybe you need to mix it more.
Yeah. I think I imagine of my slime.
It says pour. Twist the cup open and pour the entire contents of the bottle into the pot. So you need to pour it all. It says you need to pour it all. Be careful. Be careful. All of the
It needs to suck.
no, it needs to mix. Look at that. All of it are out.
Almost. It's watery. Wait! It's almost becoming slime!
Yeah, that color is so beautiful.
I know, right? I made such a colorful slime. Can I try to touch it?
Mm-hmm. Okay, mix it more. That's so gooey.
So slimy. Wait. It's slimy.
Mix it more.
I am. I think I need to wash my hands after this.
Oh, let me see.
Wow! I think it's gone. I think it's ready, Ma.
Yeah. Can you use it with your? Can you use your hand?
Yeah. Oh!
Use your hands.
Yeah, it's kind of slimy. I think you need to mix it more.
Okay, mix it with your hands.
Unicorn slime. It's so slimy. Unicorn slime.
What's that? A unicorn slime?
Yeah.
Why is it called a unicorn slime?
Because it's so colorful. Mine's It reminds me like that slime from Barranquilla.
Mm-hmm.
So slimy like this. doesn't like this kind of slime. So we need to make it good.
You need to mix it more. Mixing it more will make it slimier. Oh, that looks so good. Okay.